Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Core Balance foot roller. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Core Balance acupressure foot roller, and this one is in black. It's also available in purple. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart the clear packing tape that's keeping the box securely sealed, and doing so with a penknife. And let's pop open the box flap. To reveal the Core Balance foot roller, let's slide it out from its brown cardboard packaging, and just closing the box back up and setting it to the side. Let's set it on the right hand side of the table and just setting the contents from the box packaging on the tabletop so you have a nice clear view of the contents from this Core Balance foot roller. And let's start off by first taking a look at this leaflet here. So there is a customer satisfaction contact information on this leaflet and a free exercise guide QR code. So let's set that to the side. And moving right along, we do have the Core Balance foot roller itself. And this one is in black. As I mentioned, it's also available in purple. So just going to set it on the tabletop so you have a full and unobstructed view of this foot roller or foot massager or acupressure foot roller. And now let's take a close-up look. So this foot roller measures 16.5 centimeters long and has a 6.5 centimeter diameter or width. And taking a close-up look at the details of this foot roller, so you can see that it does have plenty of nubs across its rolling surface. And on the opposite side is the wheel. So two wheels, one on each side of the foot roller. And of course, the middle section having numerous bumps or nubs. And now taking a close-up look and giving you some sense of the material and design of this Core Balance foot roller. So you can see, dragging my fingers along its nubbed surface, you can see those bumps flexing as I drag my finger along that surface. And in terms of the material, the wheel itself in grey is pretty solid overall. It does have a sturdy weight to it. And to give you some sense of the size, resting the Core Balance foot roller in my palm and gripping it as well, and just so you have some sense of the size and scale of this Core Balance foot roller. And you can see that the wheels, of course, they do rotate as I twist and turn the wheels on opposite end, and to give you some sense of the roller, as you can see right there, rolling my hand or palm on its surface. I can feel the nubs pressing against my hand, and right here just going to give you some sense of the sturdiness or rigidity of this foot roller, trying to bend it by pressing against the midsection with my thumbs while pulling down on the wheels. So pretty sturdy and solid in design right there. This time around, giving you once again another look at the bumps along the surface of this core balance foot roller. And solid on both ends where the wheels are. And to give you some sense, let's see if we can use it against our forearm. You can see that it doesn't quite drag like that. Needs some pressure to be applied directly downwards. As you can see right there, just a simple demonstration with my hand and feeling those nice thick nubs pressing against my hand. So that's the core balance foot roller. Thanks for watching and happy rolling!